Hepatic encephalopathy is a neurocognitive complication of cirrhosis caused by elevated ammonia levels that the damaged liver can't clear. In this video, we'll cover how nurses manage it using lactulose and rifaximin. Lactulose works by acidifying the colon, trapping ammonia in a form that can't be absorbed and flushing it out through diarrhea. Rifaximin is a gut-specific antibiotic that reduces the bacteria producing ammonia. As the nurse, your main job with lactulose is to titrate it to 2 to 3 soft bowel movements per day, not based on ammonia lab values. We usually start with 30 milliliters by mouth every 2 to 4 hours until we hit that goal. Then adjust to a maintenance dose. Don't wait on the ammonia level to guide you. Mental status improvement is what really matters. Ammonia levels typically start dropping within 24 to 48 hours once stools are regular. If the patient is too altered to swallow, give lactulose through an NG tube. Confirm placement and flush well after. Or you can give it rectally as an enema. Dilute it well with water and instill it slowly. Be extremely gentle, as these patients often have coagulopathy and bleed easily. Throughout, monitor mental status closely. Watch electrolytes for shifts like low potassium and check for dehydration. Escalate quickly if confusion worsens.